Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, heated and cooled front seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.